Turn that beat up.
Yeah, load up. Yeah, that's all I'm trying to say. Forget about talking, I'm just gonna off them. That's it, don't got time to play. Load up.
The Perion Perspective, episode 8, number 8. We here. What we got today? We got ESPN.com with this article, man, about Alabama forward Darius Miles charged with capital murder. Yo, capital murder. So let's get into this, guys, man. This is another sad situation. Another young black male has simply threw away his life, you know, for minimal, very minimal reasons here. It's just, it doesn't make any sense at all. We're going to go through, we're going to break it down on the Perion Perspective. Let's go. So Alabama men's basketball player Darius Miles and another man have been charged with capital murder in connection with the Sunday morning shooting near campus that killed a 23-year-old woman. Miles was booked into the Tuscaloosa County Jail around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, a jail official told ESPN. In a statement Sunday, the university said Miles, a junior reserve forward from Washington, D.C., is no longer on the team. Tuscaloosa Police Captain Jack Kennedy said the shooting occurred early Sunday morning in the strip off University Boulevard near campus. He said Jamia Harris of the Birmingham area was shot and killed. Miles, 21, and Michael Lynn Davis, 20, of Charles County, Maryland, were both charged with capital murder. That charge arose because the death involved shots fired into a vehicle. Because the death involved shots fired into a vehicle, Kennedy said. At this time, it appears that the only motive was a minor altercation that these individuals had with the victim as they were out on the strip. Kennedy said at a news conference Sunday evening, they didn't have a previous relationship, he said. So, let me get this straight. These two individuals, Darius Miles, Michael Lynn Davis, didn't know the victim, simply just had a minor altercation according to this article, and end up killing the victim, right? And both of them more than likely are going to spend the rest of their lives in prison. He said the driver of another vehicle in which Harris was a passenger approached campus police near Bryant-Denny Stadium at about 1:45 a.m., saying someone had shot into the vehicle and he fired back. One of the suspects was treated for non-life-threatening injuries at a local hospital, and Kennedy declined to disclose who fired the gun or who was hurt. Neither the driver of the vehicle nor Harris or Davis appeared to be affiliated with the university, Kennedy said. Miles' attorneys said in a statement Monday that he and his family are heartbroken tonight over the death of Jamia Janae Harris. While Darius has been accused of being involved with this tragedy, he maintains his innocence and looks forward to his day in court. Our firm's own investigation is ongoing, and no further statement will be made at this time. So, this kid, Darius Miles, 21 years old, a junior, playing basketball. Did play basketball. He's off the team now. He will probably be expelled, obviously. His life is pretty much over or done. Unless it's, he has a good lawyer. Evidence does not, is more swaying towards his 20-year-old accomplice. It looks like it's over for him, and keep in mind it's early in this case, but when you have a dead body and you got two black males, it's in the middle of the night. It does not look good. It does not look good at all. Now on Saturday, Alabama had announced before his game against LSU that Miles will miss the rest of the season with the ankle injury. His bio had been removed from the athletic department website, and the university said in its statement that he has been removed from campus. So the school has completely separated ties with him, completely looked like they expelled him entirely from campus completely. So, you know, Mr. Darius Miles has definitely he definitely lost out big in this, evidently, and rightfully so. Rightfully so. I mean, a person is dead. Looks like over nothing, really, over just minimal reasons. It sucks. It's really sad. Alabama head coach Nate Oates said he is limited in what he can say about Miles when he spoke to reporters in a brief news conference in Tuscaloosa on Monday. I just want to start today by offering our deepest condolences to the family and friends of Jamia Harris, a young woman, daughter, and a mother who was taken away too soon in a senseless act, he said. It is an incredible, sad situation. We're keeping Harris' family and friends in our thoughts, prayers, as they continue to grieve. With this being a pending investigation, there is nothing I can add that hasn't already been shared. Oates said Miles was away from the team last month as he dealt with a personal challenge, and then an ankle injury continued to nag him and eventually led to the decision to end his season Saturday, just hours before the shooting. So his season was effectively ended by an ankle injury. And then hours later, he officially ended his season by being a part of this shooting, unfortunately. He actually went back home to Washington to deal with a personal matter, and then he had the ankle injury. It was kind of ongoing. Oates said he had multiple issues. They were all completely unrelated to this incident Sunday morning. Awakened Sunday morning with the news of the shooting, Oates said he called Alabama Athletic Director Greg Brine and focused on Harris, her family, and his team. He said the shooting resonated with him because he has daughters, but he also had to talk to Miles' mother about what happened too. Oates said Miles is the only member of the Alabama team connected to the shooting. He said his team met Sunday night and there were a lot of hugs. In a video posted by AL.com, an emotional Miles can be heard saying, "I swear, I love you more than you imagine," just someone as he was escorted into a law enforcement vehicle. Yeah, that boy see his future. That boy see his future as a prison cell. Miles had participated in 6 games this season. The last time he played for the 4th-ranked Crimson Tide was on December 20th. He scored 2 points in Alabama's 84-64 win over Jackson State. So, wow. So Darius Miles, it's a sad situation. Michael Lynn Davis is a sad situation. I just hope, I pray for the family of the young lady that died. She definitely didn't deserve this. But these 2 young men have to face the consequences now. They have to face what they did. And it's just unfortunate. It just seemed like it was over nothing. Just something very minor. But something very minor turns into you spending the rest of your life in prison. So it's a crazy situation. I'm sure there are going to be plenty of updates to this case, and I'll definitely be updating you in the future with it. Man, rest in peace to the young lady. It's just sad that this had to happen, especially with her having a child. It just didn't have to happen. And my prayers go out to the family. Man, Darius Miles, I mean, I know you can wish you could take all of this back. And Michael Davis as well. It seems like that it was a harsh, random decision that, unfortunately wasn't thought through. And when you have guns, And when you have emotions around, anything can happen with guns and emotion. And unfortunately, this had to happen. As I stated, I pray for the family. And man, it's the Perion perspective, man. I'm out, man.